Hello, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Suzette, aka Auntie Q. Today I'm making breadfruit punch. These are the things you need for the punch: breadfruit, almond essence, nutmeg, condensed milk, rose water, vanilla, and good old white rum. So first I'm gonna get my pot, put 5 cups of water in it, put some salt in it and leave it there on a medium heat. Next, we have to peel a breadfruit. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm cutting my breadfruit in smaller sizes that is easier for peel. But this knife is giving me a problem. Please make sure you have a sharp knife. Then I'm gonna remove the heart from the breadfruit. That's what we call it here in Jamaica. That's the middle section of the breadfruit. This is the section we don't want, so we get rid of it. So right here, as you can see, this is what we call bee sting. But honestly, I don't believe it's a bee sting. I think it's when the breadfruit fall from the tree, it drop on something hard like a stone or rock. So what we do, we just cut it and get rid of that section. After the breadfruit is peeled and I remove the unwanted section, then I wash it. Then I'm gonna put the breadfruit in the pot. So now I put the breadfruit in the pot. I'm gonna leave it to cook for 25 minutes or until it's fully cooked or until it's soft. The breadfruit has been cooking for 20 minutes. It's not done, so I'm gonna leave it for the next 5 minutes. So it's about 25 minutes now, so I'm checking it again and trust me, it's alright now. Soft and nice, breaking apart just the way I like it. The breadfruit have to be cooled before it's blended. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to place a pot in my sink with some water in it to speed up the cooling process. Now the breadfruit is cool and ready. It is important not to throw away the water you put the breadfruit in. That's what we're going to use and blend the breadfruit for the punch. Next step, we're going to cut the breadfruit to place in the blender. Right here I have about 2.5 cups of breadfruit. So now I place the breadfruit in the blender and I'm pouring the water that I use to cook the breadfruit in the blender also. It's a little bit thick, so I'm going to use some of the water that I use and cook the breadfruit in, just to thin it out a little bit. So this is where we're going to combine all the ingredients in the blender. So right now my breadfruit punch is ready. Nice and smooth. Normally when I'm presenting, I had a little nutmeg on top. You don't have to, that is just the way I do it. So here you have it, Auntie Q's breadfruit punch. Trust me, you have to try it. It's delicious. So you don't have to take my word for it. Just look at his face. So remember, subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends and family.